Hello everyone, I'm Taylor Call, and in this tutorial series we'll be going over how to import and set up your Live 2D avatar in VTube Studio. If you have purchased one of my models, first of all, thank you so much. You will receive a zip file of the model over email from sushisa@gmail.com. The zip file should contain at least 5 files: a file folder containing a JPEG, this is the texture file, a CDI.json, a .moc3, a model3.json, and a physics3.json. Leave all the files untouched, especially the texture file folder, since any face tracking software will not work if it's been changed in any way. Unzip the folder and place all files in a temporary spot, like in a new file on the desktop. My preferred face tracking software choice is VTube Studio, which you can download for free on Steam. Open up VTube Studio, and on the side menu, click on the person icon. This will pull up your current available models. Click on Import Your Own Model, then Open Folder. This should pop up the VTube Studio model storage location. If somehow this method isn't working, an alternative is to open up the VTube Studio file folder. Its location will depend on where your Steam games are stored, but mine is located in Local Disk C drive. Then I go through Program Files, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, VTube Studio, VTube Studio Data, Stream Assets, and finally Live 2D Models. Go to the location where your unzipped files are, then copy and paste them into the associated VTube Studio model folder. Once again, do not change the model files in any way. Return to VTube Studio, click OK, and click on the person icon again. This time, click Unload Model. Click on the person icon again and search for your new model name by clicking and dragging across the model selection. Click once on the box with your model name and wait for your model to load in. If you see these pop up, simply click once on each and press OK. If your model isn't showing up, or if there's an error message, I'll be making troubleshooting videos in the near future, so be sure to stick around to stay updated. Scale your model up and down using the middle mouse scroll. Click and drag to place the model, and hold Ctrl or the Apple key while using the middle mouse scroll to rotate. Remove the menu icons by clicking the red X, and bring it back up again by double-clicking the background. Returning to the side menu again, click on the pink gear icon. At the top, select the camera icon. Here you can choose what camera you want to use for face tracking, the level of tracking quality, and the tracking type. Once you're satisfied with these settings, start up your camera by selecting Camera On. And your model should be moving now! If you go back to the settings and to the person and gear icon, then you can scroll down to fine-tune certain movements on your model if you so wish. To have a transparent background for streams, go to the green picture icon, scroll to Color Picker, and change the color background to whatever color you like. Note, if your model has soft or fluffy edges like many of my models do, the background color tends to show up a bit in your streaming app, so choose a color you don't mind leaking through. And that's a very basic tutorial on how to set up your model in VTube Studio. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated on more tutorials like this one in the eye above. The next part will be on how to import VTube Studio into OBS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one! Bye-bye!